Okay guys, I'm doing part 4 now, 31 through 40. And so for 31, what they want you to do is they have a picture of two triangles together. Okay, mine don't look as good as the picture, but they're saying is H is here, J is here, I and K. They want you to tell us which parts need to be congruent so that we can use side, side, side postulate. Well, this side's given that it's congruent to each other. So we need to show that this side is congruent to this side and this side is congruent to this side. So that's HK and HI and also KJ and IJ. That's answer C. Side, side, side postulate. 32. Remember, you can rewind this tape, pause it, play it over again. It says which postulate can be used to prove that MPN, the two triangles, are congruent. So we have, picture looks like this. So it would be side here, angle, and side. Also here, side, angle, and side. So the answer is for number 32B. Alright, number 33. You have to figure this out kind of on your own, the three friends. You just have to use the process of elimination. But the answer for number 33 is D. So I want you to try to figure that out on your own and come up with the answer. There's not really any geometry to use. Number 34, we have an isosceles triangle. This is 20. We need to find out what this is, but we have to know, because it's an isosceles triangle, by definition, these are equal to each other. So it's going to be x plus 20 equals 180. This is 2x plus 20 equals 180. And when you solve this, you get x is 80. So the answer is D for number 34. Moving on, number 35. Okay, we have triangle ABC as vertices on those points, and they want to know, determine the coordinates of point P on AB. So the line AB, using the points given, okay, we don't necessarily have to draw this, but this is 7, -3, and B is located at -4, 9. They want to find point P on AB, so that's CP, so another line. So if point C was up here, this would be the midpoint, because it's a median. CP is a median. So by definition of median, P has to be the midpoint between A and B. So we're going to use the midpoint formula. So we get 7 plus -4 divided by 2, it's your x values, and -3 plus 9 divided by 2. This is 3 over 2, comma, 6 over 2, but 6 over 2 converts into 3. So your answer is D. 36. Okay, we have two triangles. They want to know which theorem tells us that these two are congruent. So two triangles, say the picture looks like this. They're saying that the hypotenuses are congruent because of the marks. So we have to use either HA or HL as the reason. The reason the answer is HL is because this leg here is being shared by the two. So a hypotenuse and a leg is congruent. Therefore, by the HL theorem, the two triangles are congruent. 37. Certain numbers multiply by 2, then 6 is subtracted. So we work backwards. Start with 24. 6 is subtracted, so we want to add 6. That's 30. And the number was then multiplied by 2, so we want to divide by 2. So the answer is 15. That's C. C for number 37. Clear that up a bit. 38. Two sides of a triangle have sides 10 and 19. Okay, so remember this. We have to have, if two sides, any two sides have to be greater than the third side. So the number has to be less than 29, and then we take the smaller one, add x, it has to be greater than 19 also, so we subtract 10, x has to be greater than 9. So our x has to be greater than 9 and less than 29. So the answer is C for number 38. All right, 39. We got, okay, this is a tricky problem. It says, though, on the test that it's not drawn to scale, meaning this is not necessarily 90 here. We don't know what it is, so we can find it, though. We have 13 plus 83 plus x will equal 180. This is our missing piece. So we have 96 plus x equals 180. So subtract 96 here. Subtract 96 here. X will equal 84. So this corner here is 84 degrees, meaning that this and this together has to be 180. So that means this has to be 96. So that means that if this angle is 84 and this angle is 96, that means that the point, or the side, AB, is smaller than AC because the larger angle across from it is the larger side. So AB is less than AC. They wanted you to choose the symbol, so that symbol is C on the test. Remember, across from larger angles is a longer side, so 96 is bigger than 84. Therefore, this side AC is bigger than AB. Number 40, geometric mean. These are the ones I told you. There's two of them on the final. These are easy A's. Easy to get these answers. We have, this is all you do is you set them up like this. You cross multiply. 75 times 3 is 225. And x times x is x squared. Now you take the square root. X equals 15, which is C on the answers. All right, part 5's coming to finish it up. Thanks.